Welcome to Financial Futures, your go-to channel for breaking down the complexities of the economy, finance, and policy in ways that matter to you. In today's video, we're tackling a hot topic: Trump's proposed 10% tariff on all imports. We'll explore: what are tariffs? Are tariffs inflationary? And will Trump's proposed tariffs actually happen? Let's dive in. First, let's hear directly from the man himself. It's no secret that Trump is a big fan of tariffs. Trump has floated the idea of imposing a 10% tariff on all foreign imports. But what does that mean for you, the economy, and America as a whole? What is a tariff? A tariff is a tax on imported goods. For example, if a Toyota Camry made overseas costs $30,000, a 10% tariff would add $3,000 in taxes, making it $33,000. The idea is simple: make foreign products more expensive so consumers buy American-made products instead. Tariffs can also incentivize foreign companies to manufacture goods in the U.S., creating jobs and boosting the economy. The case for tariffs. Supporters of tariffs argue they protect domestic jobs, promote economic growth, and generate tax revenue for the government. For example, a 25% tariff on pickup trucks in the 1960s led Toyota to manufacture its trucks here in America. It's a strategy some say could work again. The hidden costs: are tariffs inflationary? But tariffs don't come without costs. When goods become more expensive, it leads to inflation. Here's how it works. When Walmart imports a vacuum for $100 and a 10% tariff adds $10, Walmart passes that cost on to you, the consumer. So, instead of $150, that vacuum now costs $160. 97% of clothing sold in the US is imported because it's cheaper to produce in countries like Bangladesh, where wages are as low as $150 per month. A 10% tariff would raise prices, but it's unlikely to bring those jobs back to the US because of global cost advantages. Who really pays the tariff? Let's clear up a common misconception. While Trump claims tariffs are a tax on foreign countries, the reality is US importers pay the tariff and pass the cost to you, the consumer. In 2024, a 10% tariff on all imports could generate $400 billion in tax revenue annually. But is it enough to fund the government? Not even close. It would cover only 8% of current tax collections. Historical context and feasibility. 100 years ago, tariffs accounted for 93% of federal revenue, but the government was much smaller, spending only 2.7% of GDP. Today, with spending at 25% of GDP, tariffs alone won't cut it. Some argue Trump's smaller-scale tariffs during his presidency didn't cause massive inflation. But a 10% tariff on all $4 trillion in imports is a different story. Will Trump's tariffs actually happen? Here's my take. Trump may backtrack on the idea, as he has with other policies in the past. Congress might stop him. While the president can impose tariffs under certain conditions, a blanket 10% tariff would face legal and political hurdles. So, are tariffs the solution to America's economic challenges? Like most things in economics, it's a trade-off. While they can protect domestic industries, they also raise prices for consumers. What do you think? Would you support a 10% tariff on all imports? Let us know in the comments. Here's your tip of the day: sometimes the best solutions take time and patience. Trust the process and keep learning. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from Financial Futures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.